So just a quick follow up there, I'm going to move that in a bit closer and you can kind of see, I don't really know if it's working, sorry I've not knocked the camera. So that's it moving along. I actually kind of worked this out now. But this is the output and you can see that it's not regular, so at least we're getting somewhere. But it's not quite what I wanted. But there you go, so it jumps around, there's a long gap there and then there's a big gap here. So it's kind of this irregular behavior that I was aiming for. It's just nowhere near as exciting as I wanted. It's hard to work out what's going on with these things. The signal from these things is not actually very good, like it's quite messy. But you can see the output's okay. I probably should have made it larger. I can do that actually. If I do that one, maybe that one does it. Done. Nope. Seriously? 10 volts. Oh, that's kind of a bit bigger. No, it just doesn't care. Oh, what's it doing now? Oh my goodness. Done. Oh, I give up. It looked fine a minute ago. Here we go. Back to this one. I just can't get away from it. So I don't know. Does this work? I don't know. I don't really care. This is a bad way of making a flip flop anyhow. So anyway, thanks for that. There's the extra bit there. I'm sorry I even went through this whole mess, but I'm going to think about this a little bit more and see if I can get it to work, and to see if I can make something insightful about this, because I'm just worrying about the fact that there's a voltage drop when you have these things and that might affect it as well, and whether or not my little theory about the diodes really makes any difference, and if not, well, that's life. Alright, cool, thanks again and bye.